Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park? Hi, folks. You certainly take good care of our friends. Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch. Wait! This is all my fault. They're running wild!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Now let us, ladies and gentlemen, on to the
Oh boy!
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now!
Whoa!
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Welcome. Come. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone in your position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all walking so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's carnival!
That's why they call it Potato Land.
Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Well, how do you stop with these things? Oh, check my trusty man. Yes, we'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. We don't have any other plans. Well, hey, niggers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now!
Huh?